necrosis, then underneath your area of necrosis, here, necrosis, underneath that, you see inflammatory cells as seen by those dotted cells. And how do you describe fibrosis here? You look this at the center of the square. These are your, what's this structure here? Smooth muscle, correct? Smooth muscle. Those are bundles of smooth muscle, the denser pink. This space is the intervening interstitium. And that is where you see the fibrosis, no? As depicted by this spindle shape. This is muscle. This is smooth muscle. You see the inflammatory cells here? Well, there's a mixture. You have lymphocytes, you have segmenters, and here, the fibrosis is exemplified by the presence of these spindle-shaped fibroblasts within the interstitium. Okay? So that is your ulcer. You have a necrotic base of the necrosis, inflammation, fibrosis. No? Yes. And lastly,